What's going to happen in the San Diego real estate market in 2023? My name is Kyle Whissel with Whissel Realty Group. In today's video, I want to share my predictions with you of what I believe is going to happen in the real estate market here in San Diego in 2023. For perspective, I've got an econ degree from University of California, San Diego. Been in this industry for 20 plus years, sold 4,000 plus homes, over $3 billion worth. So I've got a good grasp on what's going on in the real estate market. And I really want to help you understand what we think is going to happen in 2023 so that you can make the right decision for you and for your family. So where are we at as we head into 2023? We are in a declining market. Values have been coming down. We peaked out in the month of April where the median price for a single family home came in at right at $1 million for a single family home. So we peaked out at $1 million in April. We have been declining ever since. By the time 2022 is over, we'll be down somewhere in the neighborhood of 12 to 14% by the time the year is over from where we were at in April. Now, the media sometimes is gonna tell you where we're at year over year, which is actually still up a little bit, but don't pay attention to that year over year number. We need to pay attention to what's been happening over the last 6 months, not where we were at an entire year ago. So we've come down 12, 14%, somewhere in that range. So what's gonna happen in 2023? Well, my prediction of what's gonna happen is things are going to turn around, and I'm gonna tell you why. The whole reason this entire thing happened, the reason we've declined 12 to 14% in 2022 since April is interest rates. Beginning of 2022, you could get a mortgage around 3 to 4%. At the end of 2022, you're looking at a rate in the 6 to 7% range. So mortgage rates have more than doubled. As a result, that has caused a lot of people to get out of the game and sit on the sidelines. Well, when people sit on the sidelines, people don't buy homes. When people don't buy homes, home values go down. So that's where we're at. But why did interest rates increase the way that they did? This is what the media doesn't talk about enough. Well, the reason that the interest rates went up as much as they did is because inflation went up a ton. Well, mortgage rates follow inflation rates. So we had inflation peak out at over 9% this summer. As a result, mortgage rates peaked out at over 7%. But CPI or inflation is coming down. If you hear the term CPI, inflation, they're usually interchangeable. CPI stands for Consumer Price Index. That is starting to fall. That fell significantly when the November numbers were reported. It's gonna fall significantly when the December numbers are reported. And as inflation starts to fall, mortgage rates are going to fall with it. Well, as mortgage rates fall, all those buyers who are sitting on the sidelines, they're gonna get back in the game. Well, when the buyers start getting back in the game, homes start selling again, values start to churn around. So my prediction for 2023 is you're going to see inflation drop significantly. I think by the time 2023 is over, you'll see inflation somewhere around 4 to 5%, which is still not where we ultimately want to be. We want to get that down to 2 or 3%, but we're not going to get there overnight, right? Rome wasn't built overnight. We're not going to fix inflation overnight, but we're going in the right direction. So as we continue to go in the right direction, interest rates are going to go in the right direction, buyers are going to get back in the game. So what I believe you're going to see happen is we're going to continue to slide. We're going to continue to go down in quarter one. I think by quarter two, we'll start to level out. And by quarter three, we'll start to pick things back up again. So at the end of the day, where are we going to be at a year from now when we're talking about where the market's at? Probably relatively flat, because we're going to go down, we're going to flatten out. Toward the end of the year, we're going to pick back up again. So I don't think you're going to see a significant year over year change when we go December 22 to December 23. In my prediction, you're going to be in the 0 to 5% positive range. Yeah, I said positive. I don't think we're going to continue to decline all the way through 23. I think as rates get back in the 5s, very likely getting back into the 4s, the buyers are getting back in the game and things turn around. But it's not going to really be seen until the closings start happening in Q2, Q3, Q4. So my personal prediction, you're going to see values about the same, if not slightly higher, 1 year from today. So what does that mean? What should you be doing? If you're thinking about buying a home, if you're thinking about selling one, if you're thinking about buying, buy now. Get in the game now before all the other buyers get back in the game. Huge opportunity. You're going to look back, you're going to kick yourself for not getting in the game when you didn't have a lot of competition, because Being a buyer with a lot of competition is not a lot of fun. So get in the game now. Yeah, you're gonna take a higher rate, but you're gonna refinance that thing in 6 to 12 months from now, get a much lower rate and be very happy because you're in the home you want, while everybody else is fighting to get in a home, a lot of times ending up where they don't really want to be. And if you're thinking about selling, the answer is it depends. Are you gonna sell and are you gonna move out of state? Are you gonna sell and you're gonna move up? Are you gonna sell, move down? Maybe you're getting a little older, you need a little help, assisted living, memory care. The answer is it really depends if you're selling. So whether you're thinking about buying, whether you're thinking about selling, we'd love to be your guide, help you make the right decision for you and for your family. Give us a call, shoot us a text at the number down below. We'll set up a free complimentary strategy session with you to help you make the right decision in 2023. My name is Kyle Whissel with Whissel Realty Group. Thanks for watching.